Good afternoon from Crown Heritage. Today we come to you with a question that came through our customer service group from a customer wanting to know the difference between our rail bolt driver and our dowel screwdriver. While both of these look very similar in nature, the big difference is one is made to accept a wood thread screw, the other is made to accept a metal thread screw. On the rail bolt driver, you're going to put the metal thread screw into the rail bolt driver, then you can take it and screw it into your fitting or into your post, whichever one you're going to put it in, back your drill off, and it will leave the machine thread screws exposed from the post or from the fitting. On the dowel screwdriver, you're going to do the same thing, except like I say, it's a wood thread. Then you're going to put those into, you can do it one of two ways. You can either put it into the baluster or you can screw it into the tread. It's your preference. My personal preference is to put it into the baluster, then you can screw your baluster into your tread. We hope this tip helps, and look for more tips coming soon from Crown Heritage.